The digital commerce trends are evolving so quickly that it's hard to remember the times before buy online, pick up in store, same day delivery, in app shopping, AI enabled shopping assistants, personalized recommendations, etc. But one thing that is not changing is that the consumer continued expectations on consistent and seamless shopping experience across their purchasing channels. So, one of the key digital commerce trends in 2025 the retailers are leveraging to stay relevant and meet consumer expectations is composable commerce, driven by the powerful synergy of mobile commerce and social commerce in the era of AI-driven cutting-edge innovations. Mobile commerce is projected to generate nearly 59% of total e-commerce sales and 10% by social commerce. Retailers such as Amazon, Walmart, Target, Flipkart, Zalando, and many others are leading the charge, utilizing mobile applications and enhance user experience and streamline the shopping process. And some brands like Nike and others are leveraging platforms like Instagram and TikTok to drive sales directly through shoppable content and the influencer posts. Supporting this evolution is composable commerce, which provides retailers with the flexibility to integrate best-in-class technologies tailored to their unique needs. This modular approach enables rapid adaptation to market changes and enhances customer experiences without the constraints of traditional e-commerce platforms. Composable commerce represents a paradigm shift in retail technology. Traditional systems, while comprehensive, often lack flexibility and require extensive custom development. In contrast, composable commerce allows retailers to build a tailored systems by integrating best-in-class microservices from curated marketplaces or platforms of their choice, whether it is for things like pricing, product, cart, inventory, loyalty, promotions, payments, last mile delivery, etc. services. Composable commerce supports all shopping channels such as POS systems, e-commerce websites, mobile applications, social applications, and super apps, providing a consistent and holistic shopping experience. The flexibility to change components as needed as often eliminates the necessity to predict future requirements accurately, reducing the risk of falling behind. In summary, composable commerce offers a modern, flexible, and efficient modular approach to retail systems, empowering retailers to innovate and adapt swiftly to changing market demands.